Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Check out all the different social media and all that good stuff, right? Okay, so there's a lot going on, right? This video is going to be on the Smart Place Metaverse, which it's very exciting. I just encourage everybody to look into this. It's time sensitive, right? Um, it sounds like the availability of the token drop is going to be gone tomorrow, and I want to read to you some of the information they've released about their project. Super excited for it. It's really a good project. So first of all, though, if you see up here in the corner here, we've partnered up. So we got In Good Fortune project partners, right? Uh, Magic Square NFT. They're going to start partnering with us with our NFTs. We're going to be releasing some NFTs, which we've already started been doing giveaway. I'm still going to do the giveaways, um, but they're going to start collaborating with us on building our NFTs. Okay, making our NFTs. They're just trying to get their feet wet in the NFT space, and we've partnered up with them. Had some good talks and all that stuff. So we've partnered up with them, and they're offering a promo. We worked out a deal. We were talking. We worked out a deal, and their promo is if you go to their Twitter page. If you go to their Twitter page, and this is their pinned post here, if you will like and follow them, they're brand new, like I said. If you will like and follow them, um, comment and tag everyone on their post, right? This is for their post, and then DM them. Okay, so what you need to do is DM them, um, and after you do this stuff, and they will send you a special link where I was selling the NFTs for 45 ADA. They'll send you. We've worked out a deal where they will send you a special link and give them to you for 15 ADA. Okay, so that is our Pavia compatible asset. Second series NFT drop. So we've worked out a deal. So, but they'll send you that special link. They're going to handle that, right? But just go in there and like and follow them, comment, tag everyone, DM them, not me, but DM Magic Square NFT on Twitter, and they'll send you a link to purchase NFT for 15 ADA. One of the NFTs for 15 ADA. Okay, so that's where we're at on that. Which is and that actually those NFTs will probably be the last that I can foreseeably see that In Good Fortune is just going to be In Good Fortune. From here on out, it'll be a collaboration between um, Magic Square NFT and In Good Fortune. Okay, so so get your hands on those NFTs, and let's see. All right, so let's talk about smart places. Um, Let me minimize this. All right, so smart places. I've been spreading the link around. The link is if you look in if you look in my Discord channel, if you look in my Discord channel, um, right here under Discord links, this is where the Smart Place Metaverse link is, and or you can just search for it or something like that. But here's a link. It'd be I you know I'd appreciate if you join through our link so they'll know that we're supporting them and stuff. It would be cool. But anyway, here's a link to join, and if you join, and this is information that I've said previously, if you join, you can go into chat, just go into general chat and request the early bird role, right? And if you request the early bird role, then they will, you're going to get their token drop when their token comes out. You'll get 10,000 of their tokens, okay? When their token comes out. Now they just released some more information, and I think they're getting ready to do away with the early bird roll. In fact, I think it's going to go away tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it sounds like to me. And they're just saying that they have some special news here, and it says everyone with an early bird role will receive 10,000 tokens when the protocol goes live this summer. As an early bird, you will get the largest drop, plus you're going to get additional 2,500 tokens every time 1,000 people the uh, join the Discord server. Okay, so you're going to get this 10,000 token drop, and then when another between 1,000 and 2,000 members join, you'll get another 2,500 token drop, and then between 2 and 3,000 you'll get another 2,500 token drop, and then between 3 and 4,000 you're going to get another 2,500 token drop. That's if you're the early bird, right? And then they're giving bonuses to the 1 to 2,000 is going 7,500, and but it keeps decreasing, right? So you want to get in on that because it's not just 10,000 tokens, but it's going to be a continual drop. Now, that being said, they're getting ready to come out with their NFT land mint, and this is such a good article here. I just want to go over basically a little bit of their concept. This is a great idea. Okay, so their metaverse is actually going to be it's going to be a real world metaverse. Okay, it's going to be real world locations. Like this location where I'm sitting right now will be an NFT that I can buy. Okay. Um, what they're going to do is they're going to promote. They're going to pay people for having real world interactions with other people. Okay. And the way this is going to work is that you can buy NFT plots of land. They're real world plots of land, Eiffel Tower, whatever you can think of. Anything, whatever you think of, Times Square. Okay, these are going to be real. Hong Kong. New York, Los Angeles, whatever. These are going to be real world plots of land. Okay, and when people meet up in the real world on that plot of land, the users of this social media, when they meet up on these plots of land to do whatever they're doing, then if you own the plot of land, you're going to make money. Okay, you're going to make some of their token. So say you own a plot of land with some kind of attraction on it. There's people there, being involved in that attraction, and they're using this social media site. So then that's when you'll make money. That's when you'll make the token off of it. All right. Um, and then the people also that are using this site are also going to have the option to have their information. You're going to, we're working towards where instead of Facebook um, or one of these other social media sites owning your information, we're moving to a area where you'll own your own information. Okay, and then you'll be able to sell that information. So like, say you're shopping and you're using this social media site and you decide to sell your information. Well, maybe you're hungry and you're like, oh, I want a steak. Well, you'll be able to look when you search for the steak areas around you, or maybe they'll just be sending you coupons, but you'll start getting the specials of the areas around you. Okay, so and then if you or somebody else owns that location of land, as these people interact with this app, as they're going about doing their shopping or eating out or something like that, then you'll make money if you own that NFT asset. So this paper, I'm going to tag this paper that they've put out, this article they've put out I'll put it in the comment section. I'll put a link to it. This is a very, I'd say, not even interesting. This is a very important read, right? This is an important information right here. So I'm very excited about this metaverse. Probably more excited than any of the other metaverses, to be honest with you. This is I mean, the concept, right? It's like I said, it's the real world, and as you function through the real world, then you can actually own NFTs, and if somebody's on that in that area on your NFT using the app, then you're making currency from it. So it's very interesting, very interesting. Now I know why they were keeping it a secret. They've been kind of tight-lipped about what they were doing, but what it sounds like is they're all geared up, ready to go, and now they're letting the information out. Um, so okay, so let's see. Some of this stuff is just says so what are the best smart places? The answer depends on specific goals and intention of each user. For some users, it might be a preferable to hold a famous or very popular place, right? So it just kind of gives you some considerations. How popular is the specific place in real life, right? Because people that are using the product while they're there, if you hold the NFT, you're going to make an income off of it. Is the place generally crowded or just at specific times? Are there very popular places nearby that might lead to more visitors? Is there a potential for social interaction between users? Okay, because it's going to be a social thing like I'm hungry, somebody's got a coupon for a steakhouse. All of a sudden, I'm downloaded this coupon because I'm using this app and they know that I'm in this location, and therefore there's an interaction, something like that. I'm kind of speculating. It all hasn't been released. I'm just speculating on what. Um, so, so what are the benefits and utilities of owning Smart Place land plot, right? So holders of Smart Place land plots benefit from social interactions that happen on their Smart Place land plot. The more social interactions, the higher the reward for the land plot holder. How do I choose a Smart Place plot? I'll let you go through here, but there's 33 billion land plots in total, 80,000 smart NFTs. Before you mint, you can go on the website, check it out. So, uh, you know, just a very important read. I wouldn't only say interesting, but I would say important. This is a very important read. I encourage you to check this out. Such a great idea. Such a great idea, right? Okay, very well. Well, um, anyway, uh, make sure you check out the giveaway, or the discount on our NFTs through Square, uh, Magic Square NFT, right? And if anybody else is interested, here's their Twitter handle right here. Okay, and I'm talking to probably about 3-4 people right now about partnerships. The talks are in various different stages, but um, anyway, if you're interested in a partnership, if you're seeing this and you're part of a project and you're interested in a partnership, then make sure you just shoot me a message, right? And we'll see what's up. But I encourage you to definitely join. I'll put their Discord link in the description. Smart Places Discord link in the description of this video, and I just encourage you. I think it's very important to if you're in this space at all to check this project out. Okay. All right, y'all are beautiful. Hope your trading's going well, and I will see you next time.